gonna be reading about multitasking machines.
Yeah, today we're going to be covering multitasking machines. Okay, so let's read this one. The more tasks a computer can handle at once, the faster it can complete them all.
So it means the more tests
Tasks. So basically, let's say,
do four recordings this time.
okay, so what it means is like, let's say if you are watching cartoons and you are eating food at the same time, so you will be able to finish both of these
Yeah,
things.
but you have to do one by one. That's better.
No, sometimes I'm just saying that in terms of the timing,
Like
you
when
can
we're
finish.
eating popcorn and watching movies.
So you can finish both of the things at the like quickly, right?
Yeah, and they're fun to do.
Yeah, and this is called multitasking. Someone is doing multiple things at the same time. So the computers can do that. Okay, after this one. And the first computers could only handle one task. But these days, a laptop or cell phone can.
Mine can do 7 tasks, right?
Not necessarily. Even if it is i7, it doesn't mean that it's gonna be doing 7 tasks.
It can do 8 or 9.
It can do many tasks.
Oh,
Even if you have one processor, that can also multitask.
so I can do 7.
So like you are a one person, right?
Yeah.
You are not multiple person.
Yeah.
But you can do multiple things at the same time by giving some time to one thing.
Not multiple things. Multiple things on the laptop.
It's the same thing. Even if you are eating food, when you are eating food and you are watching cartoons, you are doing one thing at a time. Like you will watch a cartoon for a second, then you will eat it for a second, and then you will watch it for a second, even though you are doing it both things, but you are actually multitasking in terms of time. So you are
Yeah,
actually.
you can just keep looking at it and just put your popcorn in your mouth.
That's right. Okay, sit properly, man. Okay, but these days a laptop or cell phone can perform thousands of separate tasks
What?
called.
Thousands? Can mine do thousands?
Yes, called processes at the same time.
Can mine do
Remember, can you can open a browser
mine do
and
thousands?
at the same time you can also.
What's the biggest I like? Is there I10? Can mine
Yeah,
do
I think so.
thousands?
Yeah, so look, when you open a browser
Yes.
and you open the game, the Tux game at the
Yeah,
same
but the
time. So
Tux-
these are the different
Yeah, but
processes.
Tux is like a game.
Hey, I have that game.
Yeah, but what if you watch the video and play the game? Like
Yeah.
you know.
This
you
is
can,
called the multitasking.
So you're
I can-
watching the
I-
video and you just.
I know.
And
I know. I know how to play and see it at the same time.
Good
yeah,
job.
and
Okay,
and
now-
look, when we
We
watch
just
it, we can just
drag.
we can just do this and jump.
Yes. Okay, let's do the Z3. The Z3, built in Germany, was the
What's
world's.
the Z3?
That's what they're telling. Was the world's first programmable computer. Older computers
I
needed
thought this was the first computer. like
no,
the-
but this was
yeah,
something
but,
special.
Yeah, I'm
Listen.
talking about the last page, previous video we
Okay,
did.
older computers needed to be rewired to run new programs, but Z3 stored its programs on paper
What's
tape.
Z3 again?
It was the world's first programmable computer. The other computer we talked about, the NA computer, I think that must not be the programmable. But this one was the first programmable computer, and you can actually store the programs in the paper tape. It was destroyed by bombs during World War II.
Which with the England.
No, the Germany had that. Maybe England was throwing bombs at them. Okay, the second one, SSEM, small scale experimental machine, was built at Manchester University, UK. It was the first computer to store programs on its own memory instead of
Did you
on
forget
on
to read
tape.
this?
Yeah, they are just saying that the heaviest computer ever was the Sage system at 250 tons.
Huh? What's 250?
That's
What's
the
tons?
weight. Like 1 ton, I have to check, but it's very heavy. So it was very heavy.
Like 1 ton is like one lion or something?
No. 1 ton is, I think, 1,000 kilograms. But I gotta check. Okay, UNIVAC I was the first computer to be sold on the to the public in the US. Its name stood for Universal Automatic Computer. UNIVAC, like these were computers which they don't used to sell to people. This was the first computer which people can buy.
On the first computer, did they sell this one?
No, they didn't used to sell them
Why?
because they were made by the countries.
But can anybody in the country just play with it but not buy it?
Yeah, Universal Computer. So UNIVAC
We're
one.
at page 21.
Good job. UNIVAC one's memory used 7 large tanks of liquid mercury, which picked up electrical signals from pulses of sound sent by quartz crystals. Like it's an old technology. Like what they are saying is like back then they used to have bigger things, bigger stuff. So the IBM Computer 360, this is in 1964, was the first series of computers to use programs that worked on more than one machine. They were designed to be affordable so businesses can buy or rent them. So this is an IBM computer. IBM.
Yeah, but
They were also big. Look.
Does it cost much or
Yeah. It used to cost much, and only big companies were able to buy or rent it.
Yeah, but does it cost so does it cost the we have regular computers? Does it cost that much or
No, even more.
way
Even more than that. Way more than that.
way
That's all we wanted to cover in this video.